Wanna make faceless videos for TikTok or YouTube? In this video, I'll show you the full free method using iPhone or Android, plus ChatGPT plus CapCut. So, let's get started. Step 1. Write script using ChatGPT. First, open up ChatGPT on your iPhone. Here, type what topic you want. Make sure to ask for a short and simple script. Then, copy the script when you like it. Step 2. Collect clips. Now open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. Then tap on New Video. Here, select Library from the top. Here, search your clips. Now download and add the clips to your CapCut timeline. Step 3. Add voice. Now tap on the text option below. Next, slide right to left to find the text to audio option. Here, paste the script you copied from ChatGPT. Then tap Apply. Now, select voice from below, like men, women, or kids. Then, if you tap on that voice, you will get Speed Adjust option. If you need to adjust the speed level, then adjust. Otherwise, close it down. Now, tap Next from the top right. Then tap Split or Don't Split. I recommend to choose Split, so that you can edit your captions easily. Now wait for a while to generate. Now play the video and see. Here, you will see that captions are also added. Step 4. Edit captions. Select the text, then tap on Style below. Now select any template here. After selecting, tap on the check mark. Here is the faceless professional video has been created. Step 5. Export. Now time to export. Before that, you need to select resolution. Tap on AI UHD or 1080p or 720p button beside export button in the top. Now, select the higher resolution. Toggle on the AI UHD if available. Then select 1080p or 2K or 4K. After that, select frame rate to 60 FPS. Then finally, tap export. Maybe some ads will interrupt here. It's normal, cause you're using free. So, wait to the end of the ad. Then close the ad. Here, exporting will start. Here it is. Now upload to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram. And that's it. Now you can make clean and easy faceless videos using your Android or iPhone for free. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tips.